A body moving in simple harmonic motion has a velocity of 10 meter per second and 4 meter per second at 2 meter and 4 meter distance from the mean position. Find the amplitude and time period of the body. This is our question. It is given that at x is equal to 2 meter, the velocity v is equal to 10 meter per second, and at x is equal to 4 meter, the velocity v is equal to 4 meter per second. Okay. In simple harmonic motion, we know the equation of velocity v is equal to angular velocity omega into square root of r square minus x square. Okay. If we substitute these values, that is 10 is equal to omega into square root of r square minus 2 square, and 4 is equal to omega into square root of r square minus 4 square. Okay. 10 is equal to omega into square root of r square minus 2 square, and 4 is equal to omega into square root of r square minus 4 square. Okay. If we divide these two equations, okay, if we divide these two equations, we will get the value of r. Okay. Okay, that is 10 divided by 4 is equal to omega got cancels and square root of r square minus 4 divided by square root of r square minus 16. Okay, 10 divided by 4 is equal to square root of r square minus 4 divided by r square minus 16. Okay, 10 divided by 4 is 2.5 and we need to take 2.5 square. Okay, that is 6.25. That is equal to r square minus 4 divided by r square minus 16, and 6.25 r square minus 6.25 into 16 is equal to r square minus 4. Then 6.25 r square minus r square is equal to 6.25 into 16 minus 4. Okay, that is 5.25 r square is equal to 96, and we will get the value of r as 4.28 meters. Okay, now we got the value of r. From this we can find out the value of omega. If we substitute in equation 1, that is 10 equal to omega into square root of r square minus 2 square, that is 4, and we can write 10 equal to omega into square root of 4.28 the whole square minus 4, that is equal to 3.78 omega, and our omega is equal to 2.64 radians per second. Okay, then time period. Okay, then time period is equal to, time period Tp is equal to 2 pi divided by omega, that is 2 pi divided by 2.64, that is 2.38 seconds. Okay, we are getting our amplitude, that is r as 4.28 meters and time period Tp as 2.38 seconds. Okay.